जरा से आहट होती है तो दिल सोचता है कहीं ये वो तो नहीं, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं। जरा से आहट होती है तो दिल सोचता है कहीं ये वो तो नहीं, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं। चुपके सीने में चुपके सीने में कोई जैसे सदा देता है, शाम से पहले दिया दिल का जला देता है उसी की ये सदा, है उसी की ये अदा, कहीं ये हो तो नहीं। जरा सी आहट होती है तो दिल सोचता है कहीं ये हो तो नहीं। शक्ल फिरती है शक्ल फिरती है निगाहों में वही प्यारी सी, मेरी नस नस में मचलने लगी चिंगारी सी, छू गई जिस्म मेरा किसके दामन की सवा, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं। जरा से आहट होती है तो दिल सोचता है कहीं ये वो तो नहीं, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं।
What a beautiful composition this is. And this song was composed by none other than Mr. Madan Mohan Sahab. He's one of my favorite music directors. What did you know? He introduced a new style to ghazal singing in the Hindi movies. That was his forte. And this song is sung by none other than Lata Mangeshkar ji, the Nightingale of India. There's so much melody and depth in it. It is based on a raga. And the lyricist of the song is Mr. kaifiAzmi Sahab, the father of Shaban Azmi. And let me tell you one more thing, that this song was sung in the movie Hakikat, which is the story of which was based on Sino-India War. It was fought in 1962 between the two giants. And you know, China has a great army of the world, so there was a lot of damage done. That was all about the movie, the song, the lyricist, and the composer, and the singer here. Did you like that song? If you have, then please put your comments in my comment box. That's all for this time. Till next time, it's bye bye, bye bye, see you later.